Hi everybody, I am Dr. V.R.Rajasekar, Head of the Department, Artificial Intelligence and Data Science, PGP College of Engineering and Technology. In this video, we are going to discuss about all these things. So, first thing is, what is artificial intelligence? Second one, what are the types of artificial intelligence available? The third topic is types of AI examples. For each type, we are going to discuss some examples. Then, how does AI works? Then, applications of AI in various fields. The next topic, job opportunities in AI and related fields. Then, what are the skills required to get a job in the IT field? And finally, I am going to conclude. Now, let me start. What is artificial intelligence? It is a very simple concept. What does that mean? We have to make a machine to think like a human being. So, for this, we are going to do some techniques. So, that is called artificial intelligence. So, the machines are going to collect the data, the machines are going to organize the data, machine is going to analyze the data, and machine is going to take some decision same like human being. So, if you implement this, that is going to be the artificial intelligence. So, this is a very common, a very simple definition for artificial intelligence. Now, there are different types of artificial intelligence is available. The first one is called the narrow AI, second one is a general AI, and third one is a super AI. So, in the super AI, if you take, so this will be more than human intelligence. So, what we are expecting in this field means the super AI definitely one day it is going to overtake the human beings and it is going to think more than a human being. So, that is going to be the super AI. Then, what is a narrow AI means? For a particular field, if you apply the artificial intelligence concepts, okay, for example, like chatbots, recommendation systems. So, this will work only for a particular domain. So, that is called the narrow AI. So, if you go for the generalized AI means it is almost like a generalized one, it can cover all the fields, it can help in all the ways for a human being. So, totally there are three different types of AI we are having now. The first one is a narrow AI, second one is a general AI, and third one is a super AI. Now, in the next slide you can see here examples, a very simple example for narrow AI, general AI and then super AI. Okay. So, let us go for the narrow AI. You can see here a deepenglish.com AI chatbot. So, in this particular website if you visit, you will get all information about the language, that means about the English language. So, it can help you only in English. So, you can ask anything. So, grammar you want to check, or do you want an essay, or do you want a poem. So, everything will be given by here, but by this particular website, that means a AI based website, and it is only in the field of English. So, that is going to be the narrow AI. Now, if you are going for the general AI means example, the best example is a chat GPT. It can cover everything. So, you can ask something from mathematics, you can ask something from physics, chemistry, in all the areas, whatever the areas you have the questions, no problem, you can post it here and you will get the output from this particular website. So, this is going to be the general AI. So, super AI, it is now under R&D, we can say research and development, okay, the improvements are going on. So, what the aim of this super AI means? It should think by itself. So, initially we will train that particular models, that means that particular AI system initially we can train it. Once if it is trained means automatically it can learn new things from what you train, okay, and there is a theory, and this is going to be definitely it is going to move to overcome, or it is going to bypass, or it is going to cross the human beings, okay, there is a general theory it is available. So, these are all the three different types of AI available. Now, how does AI works? How it is working? What is the basic fundamental here? What is the concept here means? So, you can see here AI learns using the data and algorithms. So, the two important entities, or we can say components. If you need a very beautiful AI system, if you need two things. So, the first one is the data and second one is the algorithms. Okay. Not only that, we need something called a machine learning concept. So, the basic thing, the fundamentals of artificial intelligence is machine learning. So, machine learning is we have to teach the machines. So, you need some data, enough data you need. By using that particular data, okay, step by step we are going to teach that machines. The machine is going to learn. So, that concept is called the machine learning concepts. Then the next level we have something called a deep learning concepts. So, the deep learning is something like the human brain, okay, the networks made, okay, the human brain we have the network. The same thing, okay, the networks are built, that is called the neural networks. Almost the same concept will be used to train the AI systems. So, these are all the three different components we need, okay, if you need a very good artificial system, artificial intelligence system, data, algorithms, machine learning algorithms and deep learning algorithms. The next one, applications of AI in various fields. Okay, I can say there is no field without the application of AI. So, it is almost in all the fields, okay, we have started using the artificial intelligence. So, you can see here artificial intelligence in education. So, teaching for robots are now started teaching, classroom through web for children, online classes, classes with the help of the software. Okay. So, it's the peak is, so we have the robotic teachers nowadays. So, the machines are started teaching to the students, okay, not even in the schools and in the college level. So, they are using the robots for teaching. Now, the next one we can see here. So, this is a robot, a human made machine, okay, a robot teacher, okay, you are seeing on the screen. So, it is a teacher, a robot teacher which can teach any subject for the school students. You can see here, this is an AI based tablet, or we can say a tab. You can see how the input, okay, just he is writing all the numbers. So, automatically, okay, it's finding the sum, the total is coming. The same thing, 37 into 21 equal to, so you just give equal to what is the output will be given here. So, these are all AI based devices available for education. Okay, there are lot of devices nowadays, okay, available.
Behind us,
and this is an example for driverless cars. So, the cars, self-driving cars we can see. So, this is the next level of AI is started working. So, there are a lot of countries, developed countries, they started using the driverless cars for their transportation system. So, you can see here there is an example. So, there is no driver in that. So, automatically the passenger will fix the source and destination and the car will be driving, okay, automatically the car will be driving. So, these are all the advantages, or we can say applications of AI. AI is used in agriculture, artificial intelligence is used in medical, even for doing some operations and all, surgery. Then these are all some of the websites, okay, wonderful websites which are related with the medical. Even there are some AI based medical websites available. You can go and, okay, ask about your disease. Okay, I have this problem. Okay, please suggest me the medicines. Okay, nowadays they are giving the what is it, prescriptions, online prescription, you will get it. So, these are all some of the important websites. AI is used in the army. Okay, it's a well known one, okay, because we want to reduce the number of deaths. So, you might have heard nowadays the war between India and Pakistan, or Ukraine and Russia, they have started using the drones. Okay, so they don't want to lose the human beings. Okay, we don't want to lose the army people. So, they use the AI based concepts and started, okay, it's the devices are used in the army. Okay, AI based devices. So, we have the smart cities, we have, okay, preserving the environment. In order to preserve the environment also, we started using the AI based concepts. Mines, then in the natural calamities, during the natural calamities, then garbage sorting. So, almost in all the areas, okay, the AI, artificial intelligence is used. Okay. The next one, the very important slide is job opportunities in AI and related fields. So, what are all the different types of jobs, or we can say the roles available for a AI student? Okay, it's a very important one, because the students nowadays started joining the AI&DS, but they don't know what they can do in the future. So, this slide will help you. Okay, there are different types of roles available, job roles are available. So, you can choose any one in the future and you can become, okay, you can become that particular job role. Now, the first one you can see here in core artificial intelligence. So, we have artificial intelligence engineers, AI engineer, this is a job role, machine learning engineer, deep learning engineers, data scientist, natural language programming engineers. So, these are all the job roles related with the core artificial intelligence. The next area you can see here, data analytics roles. So, this is the second area. So, you can become a data analyst. Okay. So, in data analytics, big data engineer, this is one of the very popular role, a data analyst, a business intelligence analyst. So, these are all the job positions which are available in the data and analytics. The third domain we can see here, a research, AI research and development, R&D. So, if you are interested, you can go for a R&D field and you can work for the artificial intelligence R&D. Okay, what are the roles available means a research scientist, computer vision engineer and robotics engineers. And the next field you can see here, security. So, cyber security is an essential one. It's a evergreen field. You go anywhere, you will find the cyber security. So, now artificial intelligence is available. With artificial intelligence, we have the cyber security. So, data science is available. With data science you can have cyber security. So, cyber security is available in AI also. So, there are different roles available: artificial intelligence security specialist, cloud AI engineer. So, these are the top roles you can go. Then AI in business and product management, AI product manager and AI consultant. So, these are all the job roles available in that particular domain. The last one we can see AI in healthcare and finance and other sectors. So, it is applicable in all the areas, not only in the finance, not only in the healthcare, we already discussed. In all the areas AI is used. You can see here AI healthcare specialist, AI financial analyst, AI based marketing specialist. This is not the final list. The job roles in the area of artificial intelligence is increasing day by day. It is not the final one. A student wants to work in any of this domain. What the skills a student must have? That is a very important one. So, we can see in the next slide. So, these are all the skills required for a AI based jobs. So, if you need a job in the AI field in any domain, these are all the top skills that you must have. So, what does that mean? So, programming is a very important one, programming languages, particularly the first programming language is the Python. So, Python programming language, or you can go for R programming, Java and C++. So, you have to be master in this programming language. So, this is the first skill every AI student must have. The second one is machine learning and deep learning concepts. Here there are plenty of algorithms available. Machine learning algorithms, there are different types of algorithms available. In deep learning also we have different types of algorithms, a huge number of algorithms available. So, a student should be master in these algorithms. Then data science and analytics. So, this is the next field. So, how to handle the big data, that means the data which is available, that means the history, how to analyze and how you can find the insights. So, that is the very important area. This is the third skill that a student must have. Next one is a cloud computing. Actually, why cloud computing is coming here means the storage issue. So, wherever if you go in the first three, the data will be very huge volume of data will be available. So, you must know as a data scientist or a AI based engineer, you must know how to handle the data. So, cloud computing is a very, very important domain where the data will be stored. The next one is the mathematics and statistics. This is the another one, the statistics knowledge. So, you must have the basic knowledge in the mathematics and also in the field of statistics. Then the last one is problem solving and critical thinking. So, these are all the essential 6 essential skills an AI engineer must have. If a student is looking for a job in the area of artificial intelligence means they must be having all these particular skills. In PGP, so we are making the students very strong in the artificial intelligence area. We are focusing on these 6 different skills and we are working for that, and we are implementing lot of strategies, methods to inculcate among the students. So, definitely the students, those who are studying in the PGP, they will be good in AI, artificial intelligence and data science also. Thank you.